Hello viewers, welcome to Peniwallet. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can restore your Peniwallet safely. In situations whereby you eventually lose your device or you deleted your wallet, this video is going to be showing you how you can safely restore your Peniwallet so you can recover your assets. However, this video can only help you if you already had your seed phrase stored. That is, your recovery phrase must have been written down somewhere so that you can easily use it to recover your Peniwallet. Let's dive in. So first off, I'm going to be showing how you can get your recovery phrase using the Peniwallet. So you tap on Peniwallet, then you tap on settings, and you tap on where you have Peniwallet above. Alright, so we can see show seed phrase, right? So you just tap on it, then you check the icon and then you continue. Alright, input your passcode. Okay, and your seed phrase will be revealed to you. Ensure to write the seed phrase down. Alright, so next I'm going to be showing you how you can use the seed phrase to recover your wallet in case your phone gets stolen or you no longer have access to your device. So what we need to do now is to delete this wallet. So you just tap on remove wallet. Okay, so this wallet has been deleted. Okay, so we just tap on wallet, tap on where we have SMC tutors. So the Peniwallet app had two wallets in it. We had the Peniwallet and SMC tutors. So I have deleted the Peniwallet and we only have SMC tutors left. Now you tap on this plus icon and tap on add using seed phrase. Okay, so you input the wallet name. I'm going to name it Peniwallet. Then you input the seed phrase. So when you're inputting the seed phrase, when you type a word, you leave a space. You type another word, you leave a space. You type another word, you leave a space until you're done typing all of the words. It could be 12 words or 24 words. Now you add wallet. Wallet added. Continue. Okay, our wallet has been imported. So you can see that the assets are still there. And once you input your recovery phrase, all your wallet assets come up. So this is a process to recover your wallet in case you no longer have access to the device you were previously using. I hope you found this video helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. If you do have any questions, do not hesitate to put that question in the comment section below and the team member will respond to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.